GBSND. This one had a comment over on YouTube. So I, like I said, I wanted to just jump back in here real quick, even though I covered it yesterday. Uh, the reason being is that if you notice my notes from yesterday, going over it when the market's closed, there's no problem doing that. It's just that you're going to be watching for that move that you're, obviously going to be watching for. So yesterday when I took a look at it, 0022 on hold, wait for more volume. All right. So yesterday, the close was at zero. I'm sorry, Friday was at 0022, and look at what happened today. You guys opened at 0032 and hit a high of 0120 and currently at 0100. So what can I add for this right now? What I am going to be looking for is this 10-day simple moving average up here to start hitting, and that's going to be at the 3836 area. And today you are, like I said, at 01, but again, I said wait for that solid buying volume, and you've seen it today. You've seen it come in today. That was unexpected. So again, just like the last ones that we looked at, I said that, wait for that solid volume, and you guys got what you were looking for today. So again, I just want to update that really quick for you over on YouTube. 01. I'm going to put this one on watch. 10-day simple moving average is up here at 3853.3853. Joe, do you have anything did you want to add? Because you cut in.
Did we ever go over this one? Yeah, did we ever go over this one like together?
No, I don't believe so.
All right, see, there's a lot of things going on with this company right here. On December 28th, they announced the reverse stock split. That's where you got the D right now. And they took their common stock from 200 million shares to 1,500,000, well, 500 million shares at the par value of 0001. So it was a 1 for 300 reverse split. That's what they did.
That explains that.
Yeah, so that was that. And then let's see. There's other news on it too as well. But this one right here is probably the one that I wanted to just go look at right now. It's Great Basin announces request to withdraw S1 registration statement and amendment to 71 million 2016 convertible note. So I just want to see what that's about. I mean, that could change things as well, because I mean, you figure when they raise that to the 1,500,000, maybe this will alter this, like where they wouldn't need that. All right, so Great Basin Scientific Incorporated, a molecular diagnostic company, announced today that it has submitted a request to the Securities Exchange Commission to withdraw its S1 registration statement on file with the SEC for a planned $8 million equity financing. The company also announced an amendment agreement with holders of its 2016 convertible note. The company currently has $58 million in restricted cash from the 2016 convertible note financing. We are pleased that our operating cash needs to date have been below forecast. As a result, we determined that additional funds were unnecessary at this time and have decided not to proceed with the planned financing, said Jeff Rona, Chief Financial Officer of Great Basin Scientific. We are especially encouraged by the higher than expected efficiency of the instruments we placed at our customer sites, making it possible to potentially meet our revenue targets, manufacturing fewer instruments. All right, so the company previously announced that its intent to raise additional funds when it entered into the convertible note financing in July of 2016. At that time, the company expected that the additional capital was needed to fund operations in late 2016 and early 2017 until the 2016 notes began to amortize in January 2017, and cash in the company's restricted accounts incrementally became available pursuant to the terms of the 2016 notes. However, the early release of restrictions on some cash in the restricted accounts and the company's belief that the rest of the restrictions on the cash in the company's restricted accounts will be released on a timely basis to fund operations going forward has led the company's management to believe that further financing is not required at this time. So that's always a good thing. We are gratified by the support of our note holders and look forward to working with them to make 2017 a very successful year as we anticipate expanding our menu of FDA cleared assays from 4 to 6, said Ryan Ashton, co-founder and chief executive officer of Great Basin Scientific. In addition to our 4 FDA cleared and commercialized diagnostic assays, last month we submitted our stool bacterial pathogens panel to the FDA for F10 clearance, and we expect to submit our Bordetella direct test to the FDA very soon. So they have a lot of things going on, but I mean that right there, that's big news right there because they're withdrawing an S1.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So I mean, when you look at it, they did the reverse stock split. I mean, probably with the intentions thinking that they were going to need to do this, and then all of a sudden they withdrew it. So that's always good.
All right, so that is GBSND. You guys, like I said, keep on watch after RS, and right now at 0-1. So you guys got that volume that I was looking for. Keep this one on watch. So again, that is GBSND. Make sure you head over to investorshangout.com/live and check out our live streams.